Hello and welcome to Buhle Betfu. This is your favorite program and my name is Nelly Somakanya. Today we are here at the Nhlambeni area at a place called Bakho All Streets. It's an elegant and a wonderful place. Just by stepping into this place, I've already seen that and I'm ready for more as we get to talk to them. I hope you're excited as I am. Let's go hear what they have for us.
Mina ligama lami nginguzolile wakasukati corporate admin wa-Angandile Group of Companies. Ibakho All Suits located in Nhlambeni, which is 15 minutes from Manzini, 30 to 40 minutes from Mabani. Uthatha iThabantu Highway leleya kubo Hlatsi Nhlangano ugibele. If umuntu imoto you can ungagibela ibhasi wehle nje ila cele nje komgwaco kaThela kuthiwa le station sakhona kaThela. We started operating end of August ngaleli viki le riders rally. So far so good because we have clients la understand the quality of services that we offer as Bakho All Suits. The name says it for itself. Bakho All Suits. Once you faka lo suits, you know you're going to get the best services. And Lagangwani, I want to believe we are the first of its kind. Who offer ema suits, which are apartments, different apartments. Normally, sathi kuthi hotel kuba indlu egcwele ingene ema but la Bakho we are different. We are classy, elegant, and it's different houses with its different furniture inside. Akafanani onke the houses that we have, which also see operation. It's a self-service, self-catering service. Utane kudla kwakho nje ungathenga ubuye try out dishes akho lo wabonako lapha ku food channel, ubuye try out la Bakho because we have a fully functional kitchen, fully functional sitting room. Ukhanza tonke titsha tekupheka konke nje longakudzinga kuze upheke ukhokhe imilo ephelele uyakhanza la Bakho. La Bakho All Suits le tindlu tethu tihlukene kangu-two. Kunema 2 bedroom nema 1 bedroom. Lama 1 bedroom, it's a 1 bedroom house. The camera line bathroom yakhona, which is in suits, and then there's a sitting room, they're fully furnished. Nale kitchen nalo fully finished. Also nalama 2 bedrooms nakhona kukanjalo ama en suite lama bathroom are fully finished. Nalama bedrooms akhona, even the bathrooms mangaba uzanga soyibona ibathroom lene furniture la Bakho uyayikhanza furniture bathroom. And then also our kitchens are very beautiful. We have a lovely kitchens, and then our sitting rooms, the furniture is different from house to house. Look, Kanzek house number 1 and Kanzek house number 2. Even the kitchen, the things, the utensils inside the kitchens are different. That is our key point. We are different like that. So come to Bakho or experience a home away from home, because you can bring your children, you can come with your friends. It's up to you. Lama 2 bedrooms are accommodator 4 people, then Lama 1 bedroom are accommodator 2 people. Kwanyalo, you can come have a braai with your friends, get one of the houses, and then this was phase 1. Phase 2, we are going to build a restaurant and a swimming pool, which we are hoping by end of December it will be up and running. And then when we have a restaurant and a pool, you will have other activities to do. You go swimming, you'll go and sit by the restaurant, which obviously the restaurant is going to be nice. I don't want to lie, it's going to be very, very, very elegant. So that is going to come as sisaqhubeka nekwakha. But kwanyalo you can only have ibraai because it's in landscaping ezinibona kusenemsebenzi lo wentekako la yadini sisaqhubeka sisakha. But at the end of it all, you can also come to a camp ngoba sinaso space, bring a tent. Some kids afuna ku experience le tent, so mawufuna bampa bakho kuba usibabethudane ungabuta nel-tent uthi abakhempe wena ulala endlini, so athi utohlubahlola ngoba awukhona ku experience lekhaya ukuthi bakhempe. So you can come and bring them here, camp, babe camping, wena uhlala endlini uhluhlola ukuthi nise right yini, for safety reasons obviously, so that utokhona ukuthi esikolweni kune trip then you want to go camp, you are free to let them go because you know they can manage themselves without you constantly being there. We have shuttle services, yes, so you can speak to the manager usho ukuthi ucela ukuthenga kudla bakunikise anywhere you want to go, whether you want to go to Ezulwini, Manzini, Ngonyeni, or we have a neighboring place as well where they offer nice food, like kudla kwesiswati, like inkukhu yasemakhaya, bo-braai nako konke, so you can go there, have food. But you can also come with your groceries when you come here as well. We are looking at being the host. Siyati kusimakhelwane wethu Ngonyeni, bantu bahlale baya kuye bayo-host ama-weddings, but we're also looking forward to hosting parties, weddings. Obviously, looking at our space, it won't be the big number, let's 500, no, it won't be. But we are looking at hosting weddings and birthday parties or end of year functions for companies. Obviously, we are looking to host them. Actually, nanyalo, even if you kukhona labafuna ukuthi inkampani ifuna kuletha abantu babo for end of year, they can bring, because that inkampani uqala strategy bese sekuqhubeka ke end of year. So they can come use our facility. We are available. Sikhona ka booking.com, and then ka Facebook sikhona, na ka Instagram sikhona as Bakho singubakho all suits. And then sinayo nenombolo ecingo kulama social media pages ethu bayifakile, siyatholakala khona. Before bekunenombolo yami leng S08E02, but nyalo we will change sifake yakhona la leng 602 3644 inombolo yakabakho all suits. And then also we have a website which will be up and running soon. By the end of this week it will be running, so you can go in there, get to see it from Beta Bakho. Also, we also offer Wi-Fi and DSTV. Ma TV ethu the angla esimanje kuthiwa ama smart TV, where you can watch bo Netflix, YouTube, or Showmax. If you have an account, it becomes very easy for you. You will look at your details and watch. Then this is a hotel, you can't leave your credentials here. Yes.
Ngiyethemba ke mbukeli, now you know for sure what we mean when we say home away from home. Bakho Old Street is just a wonderful place that I'm sure you've enjoyed seeing, and you must be ready to come and see what is it that they offer here for yourself, like a lifetime experience. Let us take a short break, and then we have more for you as we're coming back from this break. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the show, Mbugeli. Buhle Betfu visited an entrepreneur that is situated at Sipochosini area. It's a wonderful place that is called Kuwanza Views. We get to talk to her and find out about the place and everything that she does. I hope you will be inspired as we hear from her. Let's go. Hello, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. Welcome to Buhle Betfu.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, I'm so excited to be here today. Can you please introduce yourself? What is your name and what is it that you do in this establishment?
Okay, thank you so much. I'm excited that you're here as well. So my name is Bethasi Tole. I am from Sipochosini. Today we're here at Kuwanza Views. I am the founder and director. So what we do have is a restaurant and a venue for hire.
All right, that's awesome. I'd really love to know more about you, just your background of where you're coming from as the founder of this business, maybe your history in business and just the history that you can give me about yourself.
Okay, so my background, it's quite a lot, but in summary, I started a business when I was 16. But prior to that, my grandmother taught me how to make money. She sent us to sell vegetables, and would make profit from that, and she'd give us money. So my dad is also an entrepreneur, so I think I have it in my genes to be in business. Thank you. So I've been in business for a long time. I've sold clothes. I've gone to Maputo and South Africa to buy clothes and resell hair weaves, etc. Eventually, when I was 25, I opened my first PR and marketing agency, which was properly established and registered with the Ministry of Commerce. And I've been running that business for a long time now. And then in 2020, when COVID hit, that was when Kwanzaa Views Eateries was born.
All right, that's awesome. So I'd like to know, what is the vision and the dream behind Kwanzaa Views, because I really like this place, it's really nice. So I'd like to know more about that.
All right, thank you. So the vision is coming together now. So what's happening is, here at Spoxosini and surroundings, we have to travel all the way to Mbabane or go to Mhlambanyati in order for us to host events, for us to go to a proper restaurant. And I found that a problem, because I mean, we've got nice places around here, and we've got actually good cooks and chefs that are living around this community. So I decided, let me just go for it. So I went through the council, so Ngakonda and everything, and here we are today. I've been funding this from my own pocket, so it hasn't been easy at all. We started operating last year, September. We got the land in 2021, early 2021. So we started clearing out because it was a forest. But what's interesting about this is I've always had this vision, but what I wanted was a coffee shop. And I believe in God. I believe that God said, your vision is too small, my child. Go for a restaurant. So here we are, we have a fully fledged restaurant. We've been operating for a year. My idea is to start. I believe in starting. So if I wanted to wait for everything to be perfect, I was not going to start. So last year, September, we started. We've been learning, because I've never been in restaurants before. I've never been in hospitality. It's a new industry. So I've been learning as I go.
What is Kwanzaa?
Okay.
That's the first thing I asked, by the way, when I got you. Like,
okay.
Kwanzaa?
So Kwanzaa means begin in Swahili.
Okay.
So I read this book years ago, and one thing that stuck with me was begin with the end in mind. So people who knew me when I was growing up, they knew that I lived by that slogan, begin with the end in mind. Everything was me and envisioning what I would be in the future, and then I start. So then I tried to find a word that I liked, and I like Swahili. I have friends who are Swahili speaking, and I went to them and we tried to find a name, and they're like, no, Kwanzaa means begin. And if I can begin anything, then I have the power in me to actually achieve everything. So then, yeah, Kwanzaa Views, Kwanzaa Dreams, it's about beginning. Everything about me is you need to begin.
And so what kind of events we can get to host in this place? Maybe events you've hosted before, or events that you're looking forward to hosting in the future?
Okay, so we've hosted baby showers, a bridal shower, they called it a gentleman's shower. It was quite interesting to see guys having a shower. And we've done birthdays, kids' birthdays, adults' birthdays as well. We had a Mother's Day event, it was quite big. And we've had an event with Create with Beta and Yeyese that brought in a big number. And we had weddings. Oh man, yeah, the first wedding we had last year, December, when we started. It was quite interesting. Teachers' farewells events. It's been great. We're looking forward to hosting Christmas parties, more birthdays, more showers as well, and even bigger events and bashes. We have a camping coming up soon. We have hikes. It's a lot.
All right, so I'd like to know more about the other things that people can get to do here, just besides the events and the restaurants. Now that you mentioned even hiking, I like that one very much. So what are the other things that people can get to enjoy here? Maybe they're bringing their kids, the kind of groups that can actually come here and everything. Okay,
thanks for that question. So because we are near a dam, so if you come here, you can park your car, place your order, take a walk to the dam. It's literally a minute away. You can take a walk to the dam, take your pictures and come back. When you come back, your food will be ready. And if you've got kids, we've got a kids play area. It's called Little Villa. It's run by Sarah Vost, and she runs creative games, your puzzles, your paintings, etc. So you can have that as well. Go to our pages, the information is all there. And every single month we have hiking at Siphoxosini. So you can see the back of Lupotlo Dam, you can see the river, we've got indigenous trees, interesting hikes. We even have bushman paintings at Siphoxosini. So you get to see that. So that happens every single month. But if you are a group and you want us to have a private tour for you, we do that as well. And other activities are going to include bicycles, so you can ride towards the end of Lupotlo Dam, just so you can get to appreciate the landscape and the nature that we have around this place.
I'd like to know more about the impact that you've been able to make to the community. I think earlier you mentioned about employing chefs around this area. So who are the different people that you've been able to work with, collaborate with as you're working here?
Oh, thank you. So we have 2 full-time employees that are currently working here. We have different group of guys who come in to do maintenance. Our grass cutter is from around this area. We make sure that we buy everything local. Unless obviously it's not available, then we obviously go to town. And the lady who is organizing the hiking with me, Futimbila, is also a local resident. We also have paintings because we're trying to engage and bring in different aspects in this community, including paintings, crafts, and handiwork. So we are definitely going to be working with people from Siphoxosini in Nkundla. Those details will be out in a few days in our social media pages. So people can always register and come through, and you can have flea markets, you can have arts and craft markets, and so much. I believe in this place. I believe it can bring and revive the economy of Siphoxosini. So what we've done is we've partnered with the local art committee. So what they'll do is they're going to be painting our walls. I think we'll see that in a few weeks from now. They'll paint our walls, make it look nice, as a way of showing us what they can do. And in turn, we are going to be placing their artwork here, so whoever comes here can then buy. So this is also a central spot for tourists because there is no other tourist space between Mbabane and Mhlabanyati. So when they come in here, we want to make sure that everything is on display and tourists can buy from the local artists.
Igama lami ngilungelo Mdluli. I'm here under Eswatini Arts and Culture as a representative asitimele Eswatini. Sibonga kakhulu ukukwenza views because niyo le willingly open ukuthi inga support ma artists alaveni. Without most other people laba netinzawo, they put in payment of money first. Kwanza has helped us ukuthi ba offerishe lenzawo ukuthi sikhone exhibit other artists. At the same time, as much as they're going to be getting promotion, see leave is just because it's literally recognition and artistry, which is actually a living out of it. Not just the like it's just art, it's something it's something small. And people like Bertha, who was given this place, people love us motivator, not just as artists but as a youth. So it's as a nation, and I'm proud of everything in life.
Igama lami ngithabo ngasho khona la Siphoxosini. So lana ngimelele ama-artist ala Siphoxosini. Mina umsebenzi engiwenzayo ngenza i-pencil drawing. I used to draw nge-pencil for a long time, but nyalo sengicale kwenta nangomsebenzi na.
Alright, so umsebenzi lo wendako la eKwanza View Eateries mhlambe ubenefita kanjani wena as an artist mhlambe nalamanye ama-artists la khona enzaweni?
Sisibheda wena umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu la mangweni ngoba wonke ama-artists atawukhona ku-displaya umsebenzi yabo lemihle and sitawukhona kwatana kangcono nalamanye ama-artists lebesingawadi and nama-artists around mhlambe lebebengakakhona ukuveda leli khono labo batawukhona nabo ukuthi bativede bafethe imisebenzi yabo ibonakale njengale mihle.
Igama lami ngi-Catherine Ngcongwane. So lakhaya ngi-restaurant manager.
Alright, that's awesome. So tibili ugcole tsembi kwakho namuhla ngabe into silungisele yona.
Okay, loku is part of lokudla lokuningi lesikwendako lakhaya. So la ecaleni it's for lunch. I-lunch lena i-lunch evule esihlesile nayo. So it's ne-chicken stew lehamba nepap ne-spinach. So uyakhetha sometimes it's either uhamba ne-rice. Yeah, that's for lunch. And nema drinks from our cocktails, different type of cocktails that we serve. And then bese lana sibane our best selling meal, fish. Yes, this is fish. It's fresh from the Indian Ocean. Wow. Yes, and lana si serve with boiled veggies. So it's either we are going to see what do you order. It's either pap or rice, fried rice, or fries. Yes, the hamburger and squid. This is also seafood. And this is our seafood. Seafood here because we serve only on weekends. Okay, so we have seafood weekends like Kaya. So you order prior before Friday. So it also comes in a platter. Yes, with the squid and prawns. Yes. And then ngalana for our lunch, nakona we have our quarter chicken meal with fries and cream salad. Yes, sometimes with rice. We are choosing another in. This ngalana is either for breakfast or brunch. Yes, we have chips, green salad, and Rachel. Yes. And this plate is our breakfast. That's toast, fries, and the green salad. Served with tea or coffee, normal drinks, any type of drinks.
Alright, awesome. So nangabe mhlambe ngine-event somewhere niyakhona yini mhlambe ningilungisele kudla from lana nihambe niyongimixela la nginemicimbi ngakhona?
Yes, siyakhona. So uyashaya u-order usho ufuna kudla lo kanjani and then siyakwendela. Nakhona la ekhaya noma unemicimbi lakhaya nakhona siyaniseva. Noma nginganani nje siyaniseva.
We have a picnic spot. Okay. So this is perfect for friends, for lovers, for a big group. You laugh at the lovers, you know. You don't have to go to town. Okay. Just come to us. We're going to set up for you. You're going to have cold beverages. We're going to set up a menu, finger foods if you want, a complete dish, and you can just sit in the quiet. I mean, there are birds here. They're just, you can even see animals moving around. You can even name the birds if you want. There are different birds here. We're still trying to find an expert so they can tell us what this bird is and what they do. So it's quite an interesting space. No one is going to disturb you. If you want to book prior and you want a special space, we can do that for you. Otherwise, we've got about 7 spaces here that you can book for any event and any number.
All right, that's awesome. So how do people get hold of you? Maybe if they want to come to Kwanza Views, on your social media space and all that?
Okay, yes. So on our social media space, our pages is called Kwanzaa Views Eateries. We've got our Facebook and Instagram account, but my personal account, Betha Stole, the information will be available there as well. And here at Spotkosini, they know the place, so you can just ask where Lupotlo Dam is or where the restaurant by Lupotlo Dam is. They are going to show you. So Spotkosini is located on your way to Mhlambanyati, 15 to 20 minutes from town. Once you see the dam, you are closer.
Ngiyethemba ke mbukela ukuthokodele konke lebesikilethele kona ehlelweni lanamuhla la kaBuhle Betfu. Utawuchubeka ke mbukela usilandzelele etinkundleni tethu tekuxhumana, that is our Facebook, our YouTube, all our social media platforms. Make sure that you talk to us there and continue telling us about all these exciting places and wonderful places that we have right here in the Kingdom of Eswatini. This is Nelly Swamakanya signing out. Until next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.